Pretty much my whole life up until now, I've let everybody else succeed before me because that was the easier way to go. And I needed to take care of who I needed to take care of. So what you guys did is make it possible for somebody like me to take on those dreams that I've had forever.
And action. You're good. You got this, you know? Even if someone throws a script at you right away, you got this.
You get the whole experience.
You guys know, knowing how to do your own makeup for camera is super, super important. Of course, we have to do that all the time. I'm going to walk forward to where the front of the runway would be, and I'm going to step out into a flare. Maybe I'll pop it for just a few shots.
There was a lot of times where I would get called into work on the weekend, but I still want to be able to attend the class and stuff. So just the convenience of being able to do it, even if I'm not in a situation where I can be home, I just really appreciate that a lot.
My friend told me about it. She was like, oh, it's so much fun. It's so much fun. I was like, okay, all right, I'll check it out. And it ended up being one of the best decisions I ever